My mission is to prepare tomorrow's workforce. And what that means is we don't know what the workforce is going to look like in a year or 2 years. So we have to constantly be flexible, make sure we're offering credentialing and certifications to people who need it so they can advance in their employment, high wage, in demand jobs.
My name is Kevin King. I am the mechatronics coordinator and instructor at Central Pennsylvania Institute of Science and Technology. And this is the mechatronics lab at CPI. SACA certifications were recently brought on board with our program, and we incorporated them into our curriculums so we can maximize the SACA certifications that our students can get as they progress through our program. Every time they complete a module, we offer the SACA certification test for them as a third-party proof of the knowledge that they acquired here at CPI. When we first got on board with SACA, I actually compared SACA certifications to some other industry certifications that were available. I chose SACA certifications because it most closely aligned with our curriculum here at CPI. I like the idea that students don't have to pay every time they take a test. That alleviates a lot of the test anxiety that students might have. And it just seemed like a really great fit for the programs that we have here at CPI.
My experience with SACA is through Kevin King, the mechatronics coordinator. When I first came to CPI to start teaching, he approached me and told me about the SACA program and said I should start looking into getting credentials. I've been in the industry for 7 years as an instrumentation technician, and I never held any certifications in my field. So when I first started CPI, I wanted those credentials behind my name to teach students down the road, saying, hey, this guy's certified in these areas. He knows what he's talking about, so he can further education in students.
I have taken 8 SACA certification tests, I believe. I have 4 or 5 gold certifications. I actually have no clue what kind of company or job I want to pursue when I graduate, but I look forward to the options that this program is giving me.
You know, there's great value in third-party certifications if they're the correct certifications. SACA is correct because it's industry validated. So it's, really having the industry backing of the credentials is such an important thing, because then it's not something that CPI did or something. This is validated by industry and by big industry. So we really like the SACA credential because it is what industry is looking for, and that's what we're looking to provide.
My background is in water wastewater technology for industrial municipal systems, and we are seeing a vast growth in automation in our utilities. And the utilities are now coming to the program saying, hey, we don't know what PLCs are, we don't know how to control motors, we don't know how to troubleshoot. And that's when I integrate into the program saying these SACA certifications may say industrial technology, but that applies to these utility districts that are running plants.
I think credentials are one of the most important things that our employers in the region expect, more so even than degrees. Our employers want credentials. They want you to upscale, they want you to come back and get more credentials because they know that you're a good employee and they want you to be a better employee. And they want you to come back and they're gonna up your salary a lot of times as a result of it. So it's a win-win, to be cliche, for our community, for our partners, employment partners, and our workforce.